For years, full-size truck buyers believed that a gasoline V8 was the only serious option for a Chevrolet Silverado. Today, that mindset is changing. The 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel has quietly become one of GM's most praised truck engines, earning a reputation for excellent fuel economy, smooth highway performance, and impressive towing capability. Is the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado 3.0L Duramax really that good? The short answer is yes, but probably not for the reasons many people expect. The biggest improvements aren't dramatic horsepower increases or revolutionary redesigns. Instead, the 2027 Silverado continues refining the proven LZ0 Duramax inline-six, focusing on durability, efficiency, and everyday drivability while GM prepares its next-generation gasoline V8 engines. The engine remains the proven LZ0 Duramax. Despite online rumors suggesting an all-new diesel for 2027, Chevrolet has not officially announced a replacement for the current 3.0-liter Duramax. Instead, the Silverado continues using the LZ0 Duramax, introduced as the successor to the LM2. The updated engine delivers approximately 305 horsepower, 495 pounds-feet of torque, 10-speed automatic transmission, inline-six turbo diesel configuration. Compared with the original LM2, the LZ0 gained more horsepower, significantly more torque, revised combustion tuning, upgraded injectors, and improved thermal management, making it one of the strongest light-duty diesel engines in its class. Smoothness is its biggest strength. Unlike many four-cylinder diesel engines, the Duramax uses an inline-six layout. That configuration naturally balances engine vibrations, producing exceptionally smooth operation. Owners frequently comment that idle vibration is minimal, highway cruising is quiet, acceleration feels effortless, towing remains stable, even on steep grades. Rather than feeling like a traditional diesel, the 3.0-liter Duramax often behaves more like a refined luxury SUV engine. For long-distance drivers, that refinement becomes noticeable after hundreds of miles. Torque arrives exactly where truck owners need it. Many truck buyers focus only on horsepower. Diesel owners know torque matters much more. The Duramax produces nearly 500 pounds-feet of torque at very low engine speed, allowing the Silverado to accelerate without excessive downshifts, climb hills comfortably, tow heavy trailers with less engine strain, maintain highway speed with confidence. Instead of revving aggressively like gasoline engines, the Duramax delivers power almost immediately. That relaxed driving character is one of the engine's biggest advantages. Fuel economy continues to impress. One reason the Duramax has developed such a loyal following is efficiency. Many owners report excellent real-world highway fuel economy, especially compared with naturally aspirated V8 trucks. Drivers covering long highway commutes, frequent road trips, business mileage, recreational towing often save substantial fuel over time. While actual mileage depends on load, terrain, weather, and driving style, the Duramax remains one of the most fuel-efficient powertrains available in a full-size pickup. Excellent towing performance. The Silverado has always been designed as a work truck. The Duramax complements that mission perfectly. Its abundant low-end torque makes towing, travel trailers, boats, horse trailers, campers, construction equipment feel controlled rather than stressful. Instead of repeatedly searching for gears, the 10-speed automatic keeps the engine within its optimal torque range. This results in smoother towing, reduced driver fatigue, and improved fuel efficiency during long trips. Improvements over the older LM2. The original LM2 introduced the modern 3.0-liter Duramax. The LZ0 refined nearly every aspect. Key improvements include increased horsepower, higher torque output, stronger steel pistons, revised combustion system, improved injector calibration, better emissions efficiency, improved cold weather operation. These changes addressed many early criticisms while maintaining the engine's excellent efficiency. Reliability has improved. Early diesel engines often earned reputations for expensive maintenance. The modern Duramax has generally proven more dependable than many expected. Owners commonly praise consistent highway reliability, low engine noise, smooth transmission pairing, strong long-distance durability. Like every modern diesel, proper maintenance remains essential. Routine oil changes, quality fuel, DEF system care, and regular servicing are still critical. Ignoring maintenance can quickly become expensive. Not a perfect engine. Even excellent engines have weaknesses. One commonly discussed drawback is the engine's rear-mounted timing chain and oil pump drive system. This design makes major timing service more labor-intensive than on many gasoline engines, because access is more difficult. Modern diesel emission systems also add complexity. Components such as diesel particulate filters, DPF, DEF systems, emission sensors require proper operation. Drivers who regularly make only very short trips may not allow the emission system to complete regeneration cycles efficiently. For buyers who primarily drive around town, a gasoline engine may still be the better choice. The 10-speed transmission helps. The Duramax is paired with GM's 10-speed automatic transmission. This combination has become one of the Silverado's biggest strengths. The closely spaced gear ratios help improve acceleration, maximize fuel economy, reduce engine speed on highways, enhance towing stability. Rather than relying on massive horsepower increases, Chevrolet has optimized the overall powertrain. The result is a truck that feels responsive without becoming overly aggressive. How it compares with the gasoline engines. Each Silverado engine serves a different buyer. 2.7L Duramax, lower purchase price, strong everyday performance, good for lighter duty work. Traditional V8 sound, proven design, balanced capability. 6.2-liter V8, highest gasoline performance, excellent acceleration, premium pricing. 3.0-liter Duramax, best highway efficiency, outstanding towing manners, exceptional low-end torque, quiet and refined operation. If maximum horsepower is the priority, the 6.2-liter V8 remains difficult to beat. If long-distance driving, towing, and fuel economy matter most, the Duramax is arguably the strongest overall package. What about GM's new V8? Many buyers are asking whether they should wait for GM's next-generation V8. GM has confirmed it is investing heavily in a 6th-generation small-block V8 program, with future applications expected in upcoming vehicles. However, those investments do not replace the current 3.0-liter Duramax, which continues as GM's light-duty diesel offering. That means diesel buyers do not need to worry about the Duramax disappearing, simply because new gasoline engines are arriving. Final verdict. So is the 2027 Silverado 3.0-liter Duramax really that good? Based on the official updates and the current LZ0 platform, the answer is yes. Rather than chasing headline horsepower numbers, Chevrolet has focused on what truck owners actually value: effortless torque, excellent highway fuel economy, smooth towing performance, and refined everyday driving. The engine isn't perfect. Modern diesel emission systems require proper maintenance, and the rear-mounted timing system can make major repairs more involved. But for drivers who regularly tow, travel long distances, or simply want a relaxed and efficient full-size pickup, the 3.0L Duramax remains one of the best balanced powertrains in the Silverado lineup. Instead of being the loudest or most powerful option, the Duramax succeeds by delivering consistent, real-world capability, qualities that often matter more than peak numbers on a specification sheet.